what's inside here, the USB. See, USB cable. See, and what else inside on this? Manual. There's a manual. See, quick start guide. Okay, what else we got here? So of course, this one, the JBL, we're going to get it. There's a casing. Well, this is that one. See, it's big. This is side-by-side Bluetooth. Later on, we're going to sound test this, how speakers goes, and this is the back. So USB-C also you have. So you have to, if you have USB-C, you can use this one. Here the connection, here the back. Here, yeah. And charge 5. This is the cable. They have 2 options, guys. This is the side-by-side angle, and I choose white because of my MacBook. I want to be partner with the color, so this is the side, another side, just this light. There's a volume up and down here. There's a play, Bluetooth. So what else in the backs? There's no more. Yeah, so this is the JBL. So let's try to, that's the JBL, guys. Let's light the sound test, sound check. I'll try to open this laptop. Fingerprint. So let's try the sound. Okay, so let's on first. There's a battery, this, see, and click the Bluetooth. See, so I'll start to put that in the MacBook, the Bluetooth. So sound card, JBL, Bluetooth settings, JBL charge, connect. See guys, I'm connecting the JBL charge in my MacBook. So it's already connected. So let's try the sound, guys. If you hear that sound, means you are connected already. Okay, so let's play this movie. See guys, this is the